Have you ever wondered why you can cruise over a pothole-riddled road or take a sharp corner without feeling like your car is about to tip over? It is not magic, and it is not just the rubber of your tires meeting the pavement. Beneath the chassis of your vehicle lies a complex, highly engineered marvel of physics working tirelessly to keep you level, comfortable, and in control. This is the science of your smooth ride. A deep dive into the intricate world of the suspension system explained through the lens of performance and safety. Most drivers take this system for granted until every bump starts to feel like a bone-shaking jolt. But understanding how these parts work can save you thousands of dollars and keep your vehicle on the road for years to come. At its core, the car suspension is the bridge between the wheels and the frame. Its primary job is to maximize the friction between the tires and the road surface, providing steering stability with good handling and ensuring the comfort of the passengers. If roads were perfectly flat, we might not need a suspension at all, but the reality of driving involves constant imperfections. Every bump causes the wheel to move up and down perpendicular to the road. Without a functioning system, this vertical energy would be transferred directly to the frame of the car, causing the tires to lose contact with the ground and making the vehicle nearly impossible to steer. To understand how this works, we have to look at the primary suspension components that make the magic happen. The system is generally composed of three fundamental elements: the chassis, which supports the cab, the springs, which hold the vehicle weight and absorb the initial impact, and the dampers. When we talk about dampers, we are usually referring to shocks and struts. While people often use these terms interchangeably, they serve distinct roles. A shock absorber is a hydraulic component that controls the impact and rebound movement of your vehicle's springs and suspension. It ensures that your tires remain in contact with the road. A strut, on the other hand, is a structural part of the suspension system that takes the place of an upper control arm and an upper ball joint. Both are vital for maintaining that elusive, smooth ride. When these parts begin to wear out, the change is often gradual. You might notice a bit more nosediving when you hit the brakes or a slight pull to one side during a turn. This is where the necessity of auto suspension repair becomes critical. Neglecting a worn-out suspension does not just ruin your comfort. It puts immense stress on your tires and braking system, leading to much more expensive repairs down the line. The science is simple. If one part of the system fails to absorb energy, that energy has to go somewhere else, usually resulting in premature tire wear or damage to the wheel bearings. However, many car owners hesitate to seek professional help because they fear the high costs of dealership parts. This is a common misconception that keeps people driving on dangerous components. Achieving an affordable car repair is entirely possible when you know where to source your materials. You do not always need to buy brand new, high-priced components from the manufacturer to restore your vehicle to its factory standard handling. One of the best-kept secrets in the automotive industry is the reliability of used auto parts suspension systems. By sourcing high-quality, inspected parts from a reputable provider, you can get the same structural integrity and performance as a new part at a fraction of the cost. Think of your suspension like a suit of armor for your car's mechanical health. When every bushing, linkage, and spring is working in harmony, the car feels like an extension of your own body. You feel the road, but you aren't punished by it. This harmony is what allows for high-speed stability and precision braking. As we have explored today, the suspension system explained is really a lesson in energy management. It is about taking the chaotic energy of a rough road and converting it into a controlled, fluid motion. If you found this deep dive into automotive physics helpful, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest mechanical guides. If you enjoyed learning about the science of your car, give this video a like and share it with a friend who might be ignoring that weird clunking sound coming from their front wheels. Maintaining your vehicle shouldn't break the bank, and you shouldn't have to compromise on safety to save money. If you are currently dealing with a bumpy ride or need specific components to get your car back in top shape, we have the solution for you. For the best deals on high-quality components and everything you need for an affordable car repair, head over to our website at www.qualityautoparts.com. Whether you are looking for shocks, struts, or entire assemblies, we provide the reliable parts you need to keep your journey smooth and your wallet full. Drive safe, and we will see you in the next video.